Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make money from Robinhood only way. Start by opening and funding your account, then choose a disciplined plan focused on dividend growth and fractional shares. Prioritize low-cost, diversified positions and reinvest dividends to compound returns. Avoid emotional trading, set limits, and use recurring buys to dollar-cost average. Track taxes and stay patient while your portfolio grows through steady contributions and time. Build a core portfolio on Robinhood that emphasizes dividend payers and high-quality ETFs. Then use fractional shares to spread risk across many names, even with small balances. Automate recurring investments to benefit from dollar-cost averaging and reduce timing risk. Reinvest dividends to accelerate compounding, and periodically rebalance to maintain target allocations. This steady, low-cost approach turns small contributions into growing passive income over time. Protect your capital on Robinhood by limiting individual position sizes and diversifying across sectors to minimize single-stock shocks. Avoid frequent intraday trading. Use long-term holds and occasional rebalancing to realize gains sensibly. Keep an emergency cash buffer outside of your invested funds to avoid forced sales during downturns. Monitor fees, tax implications, and maintain discipline to ensure steady progress toward financial goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.